Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Passion Soap. We all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive outstanding collections only for you. So let me display. This one in a very beautiful one, sequin work, a muslin base, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full base but muslin transparent base with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta. This portion is muslin portion, upper portion transparent with hand weaving jamdani bird motif buta, and this one muslin part, and this portion is half portions bright yellow matka base. This portion is split section matka and half portion is muslin with jamdani buta. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, pallu in beautiful stripes muslin with matka sequin stripes design, very trendy looks based for your festive wear. This one is full piece but very elegant looks, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright and trendy looks. And this one also same material, very nice color combination, same material, same pattern, different color combinations, very elegant color, bright looks. Same muslin base, upper base part is muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta. This one is fully hand weaving design and muslin base, fully hand weaving work, and this portion is transparent upper base part, very trendy looks. And this one pallu portions, pallu in beautiful matka stripes with sequin design, very trendy looks based for your function wear, party wear, very nice one. This one is muslin, half portion is muslin and half portion is matka. This portion is matka split section, and this portion is upper base part muslin with jamdani buta. This one is running blouse piece, very elegant, trendy and bright looks, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also very bright looks, premium quality matka muslin, and muslin portion fully hand weaving heavy jamdani work, very nice look. This one is full base part muslin base and heavy jamdani design. This one is muslin base transparent with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work and fully hand weaving design, golden zari border, and this portion is matka pallu end matka stripes with beautiful sequin stripes, matka base with sequin stripes, very trendy and bright look. And this portion is fully muslin with hand weaving jamdani work, and this portion a matka portion split section, half portion is matka split section with sequin stripes design all over base, fully sequin design, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, half portion is matka with sequin stripes and half portion is muslin with beautiful heavy jamdani design, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding gorgeous looks. Very beautiful one, pure muslin base with sequin work, very nice looks. This one is very lightweight, also pure handloom muslin silk with beautiful sequin stripes pattern design border. This one is border portions, beautiful weaving stripes with sequin design, very trendy looks based for your party wear, function wear, very nice looks, festive wear. This one is border and full base part is plain transparent pure muslin. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, lightweight, comfortable, only 300 gram weight. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful sequin stripes design highlighted pallu. This portion is pallu portions, beautiful bright looks, black with red contrast stripes with sequin design, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. And this one also same material, different color combinations, bright yellow shade, pure muslin base, sequin stripes border and pallu, same material, same pattern, different color combination. This one also very beautiful one, pure muslin base, and this portion is border portions, sequin stripes design border, and full base part is muslin base, and this portion is pallu portions, beautiful sequin stripes design pallu, and this one is full base part, pure muslin transparent. This one is full base part, beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Very beautiful bright looks, bottle green shade with beautiful sequin stripes design, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full base part, premium quality muslin silk with beautiful contrast color sequin stripes design, very trendy one, and pure muslin transparent. And this one is border portions, beautiful stripes with sequin design, very nice fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one. This portion is pallu portions, sequin stripes design, highlighted pallu, and this one is full base part, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding gorgeous looks. And this one also very beautiful bright color combinations, organic linen with beautiful weaving design, same material same design. Today I have different color, and this one very beautiful color, blue shade, bright blue shade with beautiful weaving work. This one full base part, very smart and trendy looks, organic linen with beautiful fine weaving design work all over base. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful heavy weaving work design pallu, organic linen pure handloom one. And this one full base part is same weaving butta design all over base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, same saree. Today I have draped different color only. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart bright looks. A very beautiful one, white base, same material, organic linen with beautiful weaving butta design, contrast color, 1 inch highlighted border, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full base part, this portion is border portions, contrast color border, and all over base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design, organic linen with beautiful weaving butta design, very smart and trendy looks. And this one is full base, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful fine heavy weaving design work pallu. This portion is pallu portions, fully hand weaving design, very smart and fresh looks. And this one is full base part, very outstanding looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart elegant looks. Very beautiful party looks, shiny looks, tissue muslin base with sequin design, silver sequin design, very trendy and elegant looks, and fully based for your festive wear party looks, very nice one. This one border portions muslin base with beautiful silver sequin design border, and this portion base portion tissue muslin base, silver sign with silver sequin design, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is border portions, and this one is full base part. Elegant looks, nice color combinations. This one is silver base tissue muslin, this one is running blouse piece and all over sequin design, and this one pallu portions, beautiful silver sequin stripes design pallu, very trendy and fresh looks. And this one border portions, beautiful muslin contrast color with sequin design border. And I will suggest this silk material heavy self weaving brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one pure muslin with jamdani work, traditional hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive one, and peach shade, nice color combinations, golden saree border, and all over heavy weaving jamdani work, very trendy and traditional looks. This one pure muslin base with beautiful fine hand weaving, fully hand weaving jamdani work, traditional hand weaving jamdani design. And this one is full base part muslin base, transparent and all over jamdani work, full saree jamdani design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, same heavy jamdani design work pallu. This portion is pallu portions, beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work. And this one is full base part, very elegant, looks soft, summer friendly. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and bright looks. This one also in a very beautiful one, muslin base with heavy jamdani design all over base, golden zari border and very nice color combinations, unique color. And this one, full base part, heavy jamdani design, fully hand weaving traditional jamdani work, muslin base, golden zari border, soft premium quality golden zari border. And this one stripes pattern pallu end, muslin base with golden zari stripes, highlighted pallu. And this one full base part is weaving jamdani weaving design all over base part is heavy work, fully jamdani design. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full piece part, very exclusive trendy party looks, festive looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. A very beautiful one, muslin base with hand weaving jamdani work, golden zari border, very nice fresh looks. This one full base part, peach shade, nice color combinations with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work border. This portion border portion, pure muslin transparent golden zari border, and all over base part is beautiful weaving butta design, very trendy looks, transparent. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work pallu with beautiful sequin stripes. And this one full base part, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one very beautiful one, black base, muslin golden zari border, and all over base part is beautiful jamdani butta. Let me open, very nice looks, bright fresh looks. This one is full base part, this portion is border portions, golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work, golden zari with contrast color threaded hand weaving jamdani design. And full base part is beautiful weaving butta design. And this one fully hand weaving work, very trendy looks, muslin base transparent. And this one is full base part, golden zari, soft golden zari border, contrast piping and full border portions jamdani design. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work pallu, and pallu in golden zari stripes. And this one is beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani design, very elegant bright looks. And I will use this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Very beautiful one, bright looks and heavy weaving design, jamdani, traditional jamdani work. This one golden zari border, and all over base part is heavy hand weaving jamdani work, very trendy and traditional looks, muslin base with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work, golden zari border and fully hand weaving design. All over base part is heavy jamdani design, very trendy and traditional looks. This one is running blouse piece and all over jamdani design. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine heavy hand weaving jamdani work pallu. This portion is pallu portions and pallu end highlighted golden zari stripes with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive one, pure premium quality muslin silk with jamdani work. And I will suggest this silk material, golden border, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one very beautiful one, matka base, premium quality handloom matka, golden zari border and all over jamdani design, very trendy and traditional looks. This one full base part, beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work. This one is full border portions, beautiful fine jamdani design, blue shade, bright blue shade, and fully hand weaving work, and full base part is beautiful jamdani buta design, matka base, handloom matka. This one is all over base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful fine stripes with full base part is jamdani design, and this one is pallu in golden zari stripes, and this one is full base part. Very bright and traditional trendy looks, and I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And today I have picked a bright color saree, organic linen with beautiful weaving buta design all over base part is same hand weaving buta, and this one is full base part orange shade, and this one pallu portions, beautiful fine hand weaving heavy jamdani work, pallu jamdani buta design, very trendy and fresh looks, lightweight, comfortable, beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much.